Yes, we are here at Jefferson Permaculture Ecospheres, where we have been building an accommodation house for our APDC training students using the materials which were originally used in the fish cage. These were already considered as waste, but we are recycling them and using them to build our accommodation house. We started by installing metal poles. The poles were installed. They were cemented on the ground. Then we purchased the wire mesh, which was then used to give the house its shape. We have welded the wire mesh on the poles all around, and yesterday we fixed the windows. The windows have been fixed. These windows we are using for the second time. They were in the old house. Now we fix them on this new accommodation house. And today we are covering the wire mesh with the nets. As you can see, we have the experts of doing this. They are covering the nets on the wire mesh to make it easy, so that when we are cementing the wall with adding some light wall, it will be easy. They have done it here very well. And our house is on the Islington now. We still need to make the roof and the wall, and even the floor is still not complete.